Hello students, today we will see the revolution of industry and how the IoT plays a major role in industrial revolution. So the journey starts from Industry 1.0 where the industry of steam come into picture. The first industrial revolution begins in England in 1760s with the introduction of water power and steam engine used to help the production and transportation of goods. And then a momentum of shift from a world powered by manual labor and animal to driven by the machines. So the industries like textile manufacturing, iron, agricultural and mining were among the first to adopt these new methodologies. Then the era of Industry 2.0 comes into picture where the technological revolution comes into picture. The rise of this second industrial revolution mostly began in Britain, America and Germany in 1870s. This revolution is called as technological revolution. Here the production and transportation was powered by the use of electricity. Major advancement in steel production and development of extensive railroads and telegram networks. It enables the factories to introduce the modern assembly line and the ability to produce goods on a massive scale lead to an era of massive mass production. Then Industry 3.0 comes into picture where the digital revolution comes. The third industrial revolution was started in 1970s. It sparked the beginning of the IT and computer technology. That's why it's known as a digital revolution. This era was defined by the development of computers, advanced telecommunication technologies, and powerful data analytics capabilities. In the factory, this meant the beginning of true automation. It started with the digitization of manufacturing process by embedding the programmable logic controllers into equipment. This revolution shifts the focus from mechanical to electronic technology. And now the Industry 4.0 comes into picture where human and technology work together. Industry 4.0 is about creating a network of connected devices that can collect and analyze data, make decisions, and act with the minimum human intervention. This fourth revolution is powered by the IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and autonomous systems that automate not just a physical task but cognitive work itself. So the journey of Industry 1.0 to 4.0 and the key technologies and concepts are presented here. In Industry 1.0, the steam power, water power was in full swing and mechanization was the main focus. When Industry 2.0 comes into picture, the electricity plays a major role and assembly line becomes for the popular for the mass production. Then in Industry 3.0, computer, electronics, automation comes into picture. And when the Industry 4.0 comes, the role of Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data, cyber physical systems comes into picture, which is the further extension of Industry 5.0.